Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be unboxing all my Noble collection items that I have. These include wands and replicas. So let's get started. Okay, so firstly we'll be doing Harry's wand, which I think that was my first wand. So it's got the unique symbol, like so. When you take it out, you get this very nice red lining of, and then you get this very nice soft red velvet material. When you take it out, that's what the wand. I'll just give you a closer look. Yeah, so this is a very good wand in the hand and everything. It feels very nice and it looks like it's just been taken from a branch. So yeah, I'll put that back and let's get on to the next wand. We'll be unboxing Voldemort's wand. So it's got a symbol there and there. When we take it out, we get welcomed with the black ribbon, and then in here's a very nice soft velvet black. Yep, and this is Voldemort's wand. So it just feels really good in the hand, like the hooking with the finger. And it looks like it's a bone that's just been carved. So I'll give you one more look. Yeah. So yeah, that feels really good in the hand. So let's go on to the next one, which I think I'll do Hermione's. So now we'll be doing Hermione's, which comes in a greenish box. And this is also lined in nice velvet, and then you see this wand, which I quite like this one because the vines just wrap around your hands, and it is a good, strong, feels really secure, so it won't get taken off your hand, like so. Yeah, so let's get on to the next one, which is the last one I have, which is the Elder Wand, or Albus Dumbledore's wand. Okay, so we'll go on to Albus Dumbledore's wand. So this actually was Grindelwald's wand. As you can see, they're Fantastic Beasts, because it was the only wand in stock, so I just changed the label and printed out a label that says Albus Dumbledore. So that's why it has Fantastic Beasts at the middle. Okay, so if we unbox it like this. There is the outer one inside, and this has also got a very nice soft velvet. This is my favourite one because it's just really good, it wraps around your hand really well. You can do magic spells in that. Like so. And those are all the runes that show the power of the Elder Wand. Yeah. Like so. There are three types of tiers. There are the Ollivander wand boxes. There are the character wand boxes, which are a little bit... they're not as premium as these wand boxes. They've all got the same ones. It's just... and then there are the window boxes, which just come with normal manufacturing packaging, which you throw out. Now onto the replicas. So this is the replica of the Time Turner and the Slytherin's Locket, the Horcrux version. So when you open the package, I think the package is here. You get this package for the Time Turner. Comes with that. And I don't have the package for this one. So yeah, so when you take it out of the box, or the carriage, it comes in, I think it's gold plated. This real gold plated, and you unhook this. I'm not going to unhook it, but if you see, it's actually got sand in there, so you can spin it like the real Time Turner movies. And then what I like about these wand displays is you get these boxes, but also when you dip it in, you've got this hidden compartment behind. So when you put it in, like so, it goes on the back so you don't see the excess chain. Like so. Yeah. Now for the Slytherin's locket. I really like this one because it looks exactly like the replica. So when you come out of it, it has the locket, like so. And actually, when you open it, it is a real, like a usable locket. But I added this little piece of paper to represent the note. It doesn't actually come with it, but yeah. So we look like that. And yeah. So the same thing as you can just put it behind the back. Like so. Thanks for watching. If you have any video ideas you want me to do, just leave them in the comments down below. Or if you want any help with tech, or anything with Photoshop or Harry Potter wise, just leave in the comments down below. Now I'd really appreciate it if you would like, subscribe, and turn the notifications bell on as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.